Let's discuss some examples. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equations. First example, read first question. The area of a rectangle plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, length is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here given area is 528 and length is 1 more than twice the breadth. Okay, represent this situation in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, so given area of the rectangular plot. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay, and length equal to 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, breadth is x. Okay, x meters. So length is twice its breadth. 1 more than twice is breadth. Okay, twice in means 2 into x, 1 more than plus 1. Okay, length equal to 2 into x plus 1. Here x is nothing but breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so we know area of the rectangle formula, length into area of rectangle, a length into breadth equal to 528 meter square. Okay, here length equal to 2x plus 1 into breadth is x, which is equal to 528 meter square. 2x into x, 2x square, 1 into x plus 528 comes to this side, minus 528 equal to 0. Okay, see, this is like a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 2 and b equal to 1, c equal to minus 528. A not equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Next example, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find integers. Okay, so represent this situation in the form of quadratic equation. Solution. So let consecutive positive integers x and x plus 1. These are the consecutive positive integers. Okay, so here given the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product of two consecutive positive integers x into x plus 1, which is equal to 306. X into x, x square, x into 1, x, minus 306 equal to 0. Okay, see, this is like a quadratic equation. Ax square, general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And here a, b, c are real numbers. A should not be equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 306. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Next question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than Rohan. Okay, the product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay, let Rohan's present age is x years. Okay, Here given Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, Rohan's mother age is present. Present Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. X plus 26. Okay, mother age is x plus 26. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. 3 years from now, it means after 3 years. Okay, after 3 years, Rohan's age x plus 3. Okay, present age x, after 3 years x plus 3. Mother's age after 3 years, present age is x plus 26, after 3 years plus 3. Okay, which is equal to x plus 29. So here given product of their ages. Product of their ages equal to 360. Okay, Rohan age is x plus 3 and mother's age x plus 23, which is equal to 360. Here we have to represent this situation in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, x into x, x square, 3 into x, 3x, x into 29, 29x, 3 into 29, 3 9s 27, 3 2s 6 plus 2 87, which is equal to 87, which is equal to 360. Okay, x square 3 plus 29, 32x plus 87 equal to 360. Write all terms on left hand side. X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0, which is equal to x square plus 32x 87 minus 360. 7 3 7 2 minus 273 equal to 0. Okay, see, this is like a ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 32, c equal to minus 273. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Next question, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. Okay, here distance is 480 kilometers and uniform speed. Okay, we know time equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance is 480, let speed of train is x kilometers per hour. Okay, 480 by x, which is equal to time. Okay, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. Okay, 480 by x. If the speed had been 80 kilometers less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. Okay, here speed is 8 kilometers less. It means x minus 8. It takes 3 hours more to cover same distance. Okay, here 480 by x minus 8, 480 by x equal to 3. Here given time difference equal to 3. It would have taken 3 hours more. Okay, is nothing but time difference. 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equal to 3. here represent, we have to represent this situation in the form of quadratic equation. So take LCM, x minus 8 into x, x square minus 8x, these are LCM, and 480 into x, 480 into x minus 480, here in denominator we have x, we have to get x square minus 8x, so multiplied with x minus 8, okay, it is equal to 3. 480 into x minus 480 x, minus into minus plus, 8 into 0, 0, 8 8s, 64, 8 4s, 32 plus 6, 38, which is equal to 3 into x square. In denominator x square minus 8x comes to this side, into 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 8s, 24 minus 24x, okay, 480, 480 minus plus get cancel, which is equal to 3x square minus 24 minus 3840 equal to 0, okay. So this is like a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a not equal to 0. See, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 24, c equal to 3840. Here a should not be equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. Okay.